Hi everyone, it's Miss Busi. So it's a new year, 2026. You know what they say, new year, new goals. So this year my goal is to lose weight and a lot of it. So I can't do that without like exercises. So what I want to do right now is that I want to uh do some push-ups. I'm gonna do some push-ups, and I hope that after I'm done doing these push-ups, that I'm gonna inspire someone, and I also hope that I'm also gonna inspire myself. I want this to be the day I never forget. I wanna watch this 10 months later when I'm already skinny and say, "You see, this is where I started." So yeah, I'm starting this journey with you guys watching me, and yeah, so I'm gonna do the push-ups now. I'm just gonna put the phone down so I can be able to capture myself. And yeah, guys, this is it. My very first push-ups in my lost weight journey. Oh my goodness.
1 minute later.